This is the Walrus Audio Deep 6 V3 compressor pedal. And for the third version here, we have an added tone knob. And what that does is, to the left, it's like a standard Deep 6 compressor. And then as we turn the tone up, you're basically going to cut low end going into the compression so it doesn't squash it as much. And it'll let the higher frequencies come through a little bit better. So standard controls as level, sustain, we have attack, and blend. Same thing here, we go to the left, we have a clean guitar signal, and then we blend in our compression signal. So it's nice to have it in the middle so you can get more of the organic guitar tone and get that punchiness of the compression. So I'm playing on the Strat, going into the Deep 6, and then getting a little bit of delay from Alter Ego X4 from TC Electronics, and also going into a 1974 Marshall head. So let's explore the tone knob here. It'll be to the left, and then I'll turn it up. We'll be cutting the lows and hear what that does to the compression signal and the sound. And then also we'll plug in a Gibson Les Paul and hear how humbuckers sound like with this compressor pedal.